Good morning, students of class 10. Here I have in this video I have taken the chapter 2022 heights and distance of the trigonometry only. In this chapter you will be studying about two angles, which is angle of elevation and angle of depression. I have made these two figures. In first figure you can see a triangle ABC. In triangle ABC you can see कि BC is what? BC is the ground, which is horizontal ground. AB is the any height, and this is AC able to CA. If you suppose a person is standing on the point C and this person is seeing the object A, so this line CA called the line of sight. Okay, and the angle which make by line of sight with the horizontal is called the angle of elevation. I repeat, when the angle which is made with the horizontal from the line of sight, it is called the angle of elevation. If it takes opposite, इसको कर देते हैं. अगर suppose the object is standing on the A point and seeing the C object, okay, so the angle which is made with the ground level BA, that is called the angle of depression. Okay, so this is opposite. Basically, angle of elevation and depression both are same. The value of both angles will be same in that case. Okay, now I take some example based on that. The first example, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower at the distance of 120 meter from its foot on horizontal plane is found to be 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. What I have drawn इसमें क्या लिखा हुआ है? The of the tower, ये AB is the tower, AB is the tower and BC is the ground, which is 120 meters given. Okay, and the angle of elevation is given 30 degree. So students, you know the relation between the tan, sine and cos. Tan is equal to what? Tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. Tan is equal to perpendicular upon base. So here we have the perpendicular and the base. We have given two things, perpendicular or base. So I will take tan angle of tan. We will not take angle of sine or cos, we will take angle of tan because हमारे पास यहाँ पे perpendicular और base के बीच में combination given है. So tan 30 is equal to h upon 120. h is equal to 120 into 130. Angle 30. The value of angle 30 is 1 by root 3. Solve करा. By this way, calculation, the answer has come 69.280 meter. Okay, simple. In this trigonometry, the calculation is very simple. Now move to second example. I have taken second example. Two people standing on the same side of the tower, okay, in a straight line. With it, measure the angle of elevation of the top of the tower as 25 and 50 degree respectively. If the height of the tower is 70 meter, find the distance between the two people. Okay, so I have drawn the figure. You can see PQ is the tower. Okay, and the people standing on the same side, the first angle is given 25, so I will write 25 first. And second angle is written 50 degree, so I written the second angle 50 degree. Okay, पहले 25 बन रहा है, फिर 50 बन रहा है. So by this way, by the same point, two times angles are being made, 25 and 50. And the peoples are, first person is A and second person is B. You have to find the value distance between the A to B. So for that, you can see in this question there two triangles are being made. The first triangle PBQ, and the second triangle is being made, triangle PAQ. Remember one thing, we always take right angle triangle. Because trigonometry is based only on right angle triangle. So in triangle PBQ, tan 50 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base 70 upon BQ. After 50 degree value we will see from the back side of your book. The value of tan 50 degree is 1.1918. After solving, this has come. Similarly, tan 25 solved, this has come. Since we have to find the value between A and B, so we will subtract it. What has come? AB is equal to AQ minus BQ, and the answer has come 91.383 meter. Fine. Now, I have taken the questions from your book now. Exercise 22A. Question number 3 I have taken. What question number 3 is saying? Question number 3 is saying a ladder is placed along a wall. Students always remember, ladder is always slant line. Ladder is always a slant line. So this is the ladder. This one. Okay, this is a ladder. So question है कि a ladder is placed along a wall वॉल हो गई हमारी, हमेशा स्ट्रेट होती है वॉल. ओके, वर्टिकल साइड होती है हमेशा. द फुट ऑफ द लेडर इज 2.4. द फुट ऑफ द लेडर, the stage is 2.4 meter. Okay, and the ladder is making the angle is 68 degree. Find the height of the ladder. आपको ladder की height निकालनी है यहाँ पे. नहीं, find the height of up to which the ladder reaches. कहाँ तक ladder पहुँच रही है, इसका मतलब आपको wall की height निकालनी है. So the value is 1068 degrees equal to perpendicular upon base. 1068 की value you can see from the back side, that is 2.4751. H upon B is 2.4. By this way the value of H has come 5.94024 meter. Okay, it is very simple. Calculation is very simple. Only you should know how to draw the angles. Now question number 6. Question number 6 of your same exercise I have taken. In this question it is saying a boy which is the height is 1.6 meter tall. The height is 1.6 meter, is standing and 20 meter away from the tower. AB is a tower and this boy is standing 20 meter away. यानी कि बीच की दूरी कितनी है? 20 meter. And making the angle of elevation is 45 degree. There are two parts. One part 45 degree, second part में 60 degree. Okay. So I will be solving individually both parts 45 degree and 60 degree. Firstly, एक लड़का खड़ा हुआ है जो कि angle of elevation 45 degree का बना रहा है. Tower is AB. You have to find the height of the टार. आपको ए बी यानी कि टार की हाइट निकालनी है. इट इज अगेन वेरी मच सिंपल. यू विल बी टेकिंग द ट्राइंगल AED. In triangle AED you can see 1045 is equal to perpendicular is AE and base is ED. चूंकि जो BC है वही ED होगा because BC and ED both are parallel to each other. The BC is 20, so ED will also be 20. By this way the value of AE has come 20. Now 20 plus 1.6, why it is plus 1.6? Because the value of AE has come and the tower is AB. So 20 plus 1.6 we will add 21.6. Similarly, I will take the second part which is angle 60 degree. 1060 degree is equal to AE upon 20. But by this way solving I got 34.640. Okay. Then again we will add 1.6 to get the 36.240 meter is the answer. Now students, I have taken one more question. It's the question number 7. 7th is saying the upper part of the tree broken over by the wind. Okay, BA is a tree. Basically BC also part of the tree, but it is a broken part. After the wind, this part is broken and simply come on the ground. Okay, so AB and plus BC is the full height of the tree, but now AB is standing height and BC is fallen, but it is still a tree. Okay, this is the question. Ki BC is the broken part of the tree after the wind and makes the angle of 45 degree. With the ground, the distance is 15 meter. So find the height of the tree before the broken. Okay, so again you can see very simple. Triangle is made. You will take 1045 degrees equal to perpendicular upon base. That is H upon 15. By this way, H has come 15 meter. Now I will be finding the value of BC also because we have to add B and BC both. So BC is a hypotenuse. So in this way, we will take sine 45 because sine 45 is equal to what? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is P यानी कि H और BC is hypotenuse. Sine 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. P is 15. BC is copied down. The value BC has come 15 root 2. Now we will be finding the height of tree before broken. So we will add BA plus BC. So 15 plus 15 root 2. The value of root 2 is 4.14. Added them and solved. You got the 36.210 meter. Okay. So by this way students, I have shown you 3 questions from your exercise and 2 examples. With these questions, please solve the rest part of your exercise 22A. I hope you all be having books, but then even I'm showing the exercise. You can see, you can take help. If in case you don't have book, I'm showing you exercise 28 completely, and please try all the questions at your home, and in my next video I'll be taking the next exercise. Thank you.